All right, guys, I'm here at the first spot. Today I've got out the ultralight. This is my Field and Stream 6-foot rod with a Okuma Stratus reel. I've never really got these reels before, but I got a new one recently, and it's been working pretty well for me. I do like it. And first thing I'll be fishing is just a little mep spinner. And there's a lot of smallmouth in this creek, along with some wild and stock trout. So we're gonna start here at this nice deep hole, and then we're just gonna wade upstream. So anyways, let's get fishing and we'll see how we do. Hopefully we can do some damage. All right, first cast. Look at that. Like 3 little smallmouth just chased it up. Just little babies. Oh, that little smallie came right to me and ate that. That was cool. Little baby. There we go. It's like a little smallmouth. First fish of the day. All right, look at that. Little smallie, not huge, but good first fish. Inhaled that little jig. Let's go. Yeah, super small, but my first smallie of the year. That felt pretty good. Send him on back. Off he goes. All right, we're on the board. There we go. Fish number 2. It's like a baby fall fish. That's exactly what it is. Look at that guy, he's so tiny. Dinkfest today. Alright, now I know this looks like a really weird rig, but it's worked in the past really well for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a shot. This would be for if there's any stock trout in this area, and I'm just below where they stocked, if they did stock. I got an email from the DNR saying that they had stocked this area, but I could be, they may have stocked upstream or not exactly here, so we're just gonna fish around, and hopefully I'd like to get in a stock trout or two, but if not, then I'll just switch back to gearing towards smallmouth and just try to get some more fish. All right, guys, golden trout sitting right there. You might already see me though. Can't really tell. I was here the other day and oh my gosh. Big trout right there, big trout. All right, there's a big rainbow that just chased us up. I see him, I still see him. All right, guys, but as I was saying, oh, a golden. All right, finally getting some action. But as I was saying before I got interrupted by that fish, I was here the other day fly fishing and I saw that, well, I saw a golden right in this spot, and it could be the same one. What happens with these guys is everybody sees them and just casts at them continuously until they decide that they just don't want to eat anymore. They get all spooked. So anyway, that could just be what's going on with this one, unless they stock this area again. In that case, there should be plenty of trout around. You know what, guys, actually? I see multiple goldens, so I'm pretty sure that they stock this area again. I see 3 golden trout right now. That's actually really cool. Golden rainbow trout. Ooh, missed one. All right, guys, I think they did restock this area because I'm seeing a ton of trout. Oh, missed him. Look at that golden. He chased it right to the side. There we go. First trout on. It's about time. There we go. Nothing huge, but a trout nonetheless. First one of the day. Hooked perfectly. So I like using these pink worms because they won't swallow them like they would, say, power bait. So gonna send him back, and there he goes. Let's try to get another. There we go. That's a better one. Maybe not. I did see a big one down there with him, though. There's like, I mean, there's a ton right here in this hole. They're stacked up. All right, there we go. Trout number 2. Definitely looks a lot healthier than the last one. I'm gonna let him go before he squirms to death. All right, he is gone. Ooh, there we go. Second cast after that other one. All right, now that is definitely a better one. Here we go. Trout number 3 of the day. Not the best handling there, but he's gone. Took my pink worm. We'll throw a new one on, get back out. All right, missed the take on camera, but I just switched to a little pink trout magnet. And first cast, this nice rainbow came up and ate it. Easy, buddy. There we go. Calm down. All right, that is a beauty. Very pretty fish right there. Came up and ate the little pink trout magnet. Hooked right in the bottom lip. There he goes. Right back to where he came. Awesome. So this is the new rig, just a little pink trout magnet, and it's getting the job done. Pink is my favorite color for stock trout. I don't know why it works so well, but you know, I've tried all the different like chartreuse, white, natural colors, and you know, they work. Some days they're better than others, but for the majority of the time, pink is almost always the best for me. Pink worms, pink trout magnets, pink power bait. Pink is the color to use. There's got to be a big holdover in this huge bunch of trout. Be pretty cool if I could hook into him. There we go. All right. Bring him over here to the little sandbar. Easy, buddy. Easy. All right, there we go. Another one. One after another. Another one. I wasn't even fishing for this guy. I was untangling my line, and when I went to reel it in, he was on. Easy. Oh my gosh. All right, there we go. Another one. It's got kind of a gross sore right there. All right, since clearly these trout are really aggressive, I was getting a little bored just catching them all like one after another in the same thing. So I'm gonna switch up things and throw this little jerk bait, and then I'm just gonna go through a bunch of different lures and see what all these trout will eat. So let's start with this jerk bait and see, make things a little trickier and see if we can land another one. There we go. Got one on the jerk bait. Let's go. He chased that right up and crushed it. Awesome. Ooh, gotta watch those treble hooks though. Take it easy, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Ow. He got me with the treble hook, and he's got off. But did you see that? He got off, and I just, as he was swimming away, I grabbed him again. Treble hook got me in the thumb, and he got off. But we got him. So off he goes. But jerkbait down. Now let's try a inline spinner. All right, first cast with the spinner. And we got one. That didn't take long. All right, good little fighter. Maybe the spinner will have to be my new bait of choice. Ooh, that treble hook was dangerously close to the waders. All right, there we go. First spinner fish of the day. Like I was saying earlier, power bait works great if you want to keep the trout, but today I'm just trying to do catch and release, and they almost always just inhale the power bait. So that's why I'm just kind of sticking to artificial. That way I can release them safely. This Golden's definitely showing some interest, but he does not want to commit to my really anything. All right, I'm going to try to get one in this little spoon now. And I've actually never caught anything on a spoon, pretty much because I don't fish them that often, but when I have tried, I really haven't had any luck. So these fish seem pretty aggressive, and it'd be a good way to figure out how to use this lure with these guys since they're everywhere. So anyways, let's give this a shot and see if we can't catch one on it. Guys, I got one on the spoon. Ooh, acrobatics. This might be the best one of the day. This is my first fish ever caught in a spoon. And it's pretty nice too. Feels really nice. Look at him go. My gosh. Jeez. Oh, you know what? He may be snagged, and that's why he's fighting so hard. If so, then I did not really catch one on a spoon. Yep, that's it. Snagged him on accident. That's too bad. Guess that does not count as a catch on the spoon. Alright, yeah, on accident, just got him right there in the belly. There he goes. Alright, so I'm actually back to the original bait, just the wacky rig pink worm. So let's try to get a few more before I have to head out of here. Oh, that was a big one. That was a very big one. Alright, missed the take on that guy, but another one fell victim to the pink worm. I'm telling you guys, this is the deadliest bait for stock trout. Works so well. There's that guy, just gonna not even touch him, pop him right off the hook here. Go the other way, buddy. Off he goes. Whoa, they came out of nowhere. These guys are fighting pretty well today. Whew. Come here, buddy. Take it easy. All right, there we go. Another nice little rainbow. And back he goes. All right, guys, it was an awesome day out here in the river. I was just going to catch some smallmouth, you know, maybe a stock trout or two. And the fishing really exceeded my expectations. They stocked way more fish here than I thought they did. I hadn't even known for sure if they had stocked. So anyways, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. All support is appreciated because I'm just getting started out here on YouTube. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.